Welcome to the YouTube channel of Evolution Careers. This is the online webinar series conducted by Evolution Careers in association with RSN Consulting. I am Sukumar, the speaker for the day, and today's topic is work ethics and sexual harassment. If you find this video informative, please like it, please subscribe to our channel and share it among your known circle to spread on this information across various channels. Thanks for your viewing. Coming to today's topic of work ethics. What is work ethics? Work ethics is the ability to maintain proper moral values within the workplace. It is an attitude that shapes the way an individual performs job duties with high moral standards. Why you need to have high moral standards? Because you have to be right. You have to be morally right. You have to abide and adhere to the norms, to the standards, to the rules and regulations. You have to perform any activity in the righteous way, be it at your work, at your study, or at your personal space, in your family, in your society. How work ethics improve the environment? Work ethics improve the environment by making it a better place to live in. If you do not live in a better place, then obviously you cannot be better as an individual, as a human, as a professional, as a person, as a family member, as a part of the society, be it anything. If you want to have better life, better nature, better environment, then every one of us should be ethical. We have to have the moral values, the right moral values. The wrong ones should be eradicated and the right ones only should be kept. Right ones, good for everyone. Those are good for everyone are the right ones. For some individuals, breaking the laws might be a fun activity, might be their passion, but morally it is wrong. So you have to have the clarity on what is a right moral value and what is not, and based on that, you have to have it very, very clear. Very, very clear. You have to draw the lines properly and perform your duties in the righteous way as a human, as a person, as a professional, as a person belonging to the society, as a citizen of a country. Unless you do it, we'll be spoiling our society. We have to educate our future generations also to be performing everything, to behave in the righteous way with right morals. We have to make them realize, we have to make them understand. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to get a better place to live in. It will be very difficult to get a better place to live in. Coming into sexual harassment, what is sexual harassment? Any form of sexual approach, misbehavior, sexual approach without consent, sexual misbehavior, abusiveness, either verbally, by body language, physically, physical assaults, rapes, molestation, everything, even a touch, a wrong touch is also a sexual harassment. Why it should be avoided? It should be avoided because we need to have the right place to live in. We need to make everyone not feel the pressure of getting harassed sexually, be it any gender. It is not gender specific that only females can be sexually harassed. Males can be sexually harassed. Transgenders can be sexually harassed. It should not be necessarily the harassment done to the opposite sex. Even if you do it to the same sex, it comes under sexual harassment. You have to avoid all this to make your environment the right place to have to live with a peace of mind, to do the activities with peace of mind, to do the activities with a safe and secure mindset. How you can generate the safe and secure mindset? You can do it only by avoiding all this and doing things with right morals and right values. When you come across such incidents, please do report it. Failing to report such incidents also makes us responsible for not acting on time. If you report it to the right person at the right time or the right functionality at the right time, the right actions, there is a possibility of right actions to happen at the right time, and that can make things better and can solve things then and there itself. Please keep this in mind. It is Please keep this in mind. If you are not reporting any such incidents to the righteous body, then indirectly you are also supporting that activity. Please keep this in your mind, and it is it should come as a part of your DNA. It is a behavioral aspect. You need to cultivate that culture inside you. You have to report everything you find this way to the righteous people in the set of norms they had framed for reporting. As per the reporting structure, you have to do it, and anything you can report it. There is nothing you can avoid here in this aspect to report it. Be clean, be good, be with values, be a responsible human, be a responsible citizen, be a responsible professional. Be responsible, be good, take up the responsibility. It's more important. You can ask me, just I myself following this, how it can change the society. By following these good values, you become an example for others to follow. When others follow, the following count becomes big. When it becomes big, the society gets a better place. Society becomes a better place to live in. Thank you for viewing it. Kindly post your queries in the email ID displayed over here, that is query, query at evolutioncareers.tech, rsnconsulting19@gmail.com, or in the WhatsApp number +919751773512. I repeat the WhatsApp number, it's +919751773512. Thank you for viewing. Please do like, subscribe, and share our videos to your known circles to pass on this information to them also and create an awareness. It's our professional, moral, social responsibility to make the society avoid all the wrongdoings and refining itself and passing on the good values to the upcoming generations. Morals, ethics, and non-harassment is the need of the hour. Let's get into it. Let's be good and be responsible. Thank you.